Hello everyone, welcome to the DigiDev channel. Here we are with another cool course about JavaScript, and in this course we're gonna learn JavaScript very fast. So this is especially made for people who know nothing about JavaScript and want to learn JavaScript so they can go to more advanced stuff like backend development with Node.js or frontend with React, Vue and other stuff. So in this course, we're gonna start from very basic, like variables and conditions, arrays, loops. Then we go to more advanced stuff like JavaScript DOM, how functions work, how events work, and at last we go to objects and object-oriented programming. So if you know nothing about JavaScript, this is the perfect course for you. I personally myself using Node.js for my websites and my projects, so you don't need to worry about anything, just trust me and start this course. This is all the fundamentals you need to know for Node.js or React. If you want to see more videos and courses like this from me, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. It will help me and the channel a lot. Thank you, bye bye.